morning, guys. This is Coach Jared with Baseball ASAP, and we're here for the tip of the week. We're going to be working on our box drill exercise. As you can see, there are 4 cones. I'm starting off one to my left, behind me, and then forward. Great warm-up drill. We can get a lot of ball players involved at the same time. Excellent to get them prepared before we actually start doing any baseball stuff. I'm going to start in this cone, I'm going to side shuffle this direction, back pedal, side shuffle in the other direction, then I'm going to sprint through here. That's one of our basic box drills. So now we're going to get started.